Hi, good day. This is Mike Fehrenbacher. I'm coming at you with a few updates about the DSCR Investor Cash Flow Loan Program. First of all, the program was designed for people that own investment properties nationwide that want to purchase or refi and take advantage of the lower interest rates. They are a non QM product, and typically the people that we work with have hard money loans. These loans weren't available anywhere from the 2007, 2008 era all the way up until just a few years ago. So, a couple program updates is first of all, credit score. If you want to do the traditional DSCR program and provide the rental lease agreement and use the comparable on the 1007 appraisal, we will go down to a 620 credit score versus our old program went down to 660 credit score. So that opened up the range a little bit. LTV is restricted on your credit score. So the LTV may require more down payment or more equity in the property. The second option, and the option that everyone seems to be really taking advantage of, is the no doc DSCR program. The no doc is exactly that. There's no income, no job, and no assets on the application, as well as we go down to a 640 credit score. So you will not provide a lease. They will not use the comparable rent on the 1007. They will simply refinance based off the equity in the property or the down payment as well as your credit rating. Again, the same thing applies. The LTV or amount of down payment depends on your credit score. So again, a couple things. These are for non-owner occupied properties. They are not for primary residence. Your credit scores I just disclosed. If you're going to use leases, we go down to 640. If you're going to go no doc, we go down to a 640. Max LTV is at 80%, and then it will increase or decrease, I should say, based on your credit score. So the lower the credit, the more down payment or more equity they will require. One other item that if you go through the no doc program is we do accept this under a foreign national. A lot of foreign nationals look for secondary housing in the United States, and we also accept this through a W 2 employee. The old program only worked with self employed independent contractor types. So, with that said, the major adjustment is now we accept it through a no doc loan. I do want to make you aware that it's approximately 40 basis points higher on the interest rate across the board if you go no doc. The advantages, there's no questions asked. The loan closes. There's no TRID requirements. You could charge up to 5 points. The disadvantage, you're going to have the higher rate. My personal input is if you have the lease and everything matches up, go ahead, go through a little bit of extra underwriting, take advantage of the better interest rate. It's better for the consumer. There are prepayments with buyout options on all these loans. We're not looking for quick flips, and we will require 6 months to retain the property before you sell it. So again, this is Mike Fehrenbacher talking about the DSCR Investor Cash Flow Loans. And my experience is 22 years in the mortgage wholesale lending. If you got any questions, contact me anytime via email or telephone 714-912-8050. Thanks and have a good day.